Arriving now on track 2, Veterinarian's Hospital. The continuing story of a quack that's gone to the dogs.
Here's your next patient, Dr. Bob. He's a conductor.
Well, he's not getting any symphony from me.
You mean sympathy?
He's not getting any of that either.
Dr. Bobby's a train conductor.
Well, I will not operate on anyone who works for the railroad.
Why not?
I've got a very poor track record. Hey, what's the matter with him?
I don't know. He keeps saying the same thing over and over.
All aboard!
See what I mean? Dr. Bob, that's all he ever says.
Well, he must have a one-track mind.
That's your second track joke, Dr. Bob.
So what? Who keeps track?
That's 3.
Well, it's too late to change. You can't teach an old dog new tracks.
12, 3.5.
Dr. Bob, he's worked too long on the railroad. It's affected his mind.
Yes, the strain on his brain stays mainly on the train.
Oh, Dr. Bob, I think you've got it.
All aboard! And so we come to the end of another Veterinarian's Hospital. Tune in next week when you'll hear Dr. Bob say...
I think he's got railroad sneeze.
What's railroad sneeze?
Ah, choo-choo! You know, this place is cleaner than the theater.
True. Seats are more comfortable, too.
If only the entertainment lives down to my expectations.